What's the secret for Chinese fried rice? I see a lot of recipes for fried rice, but never seem to be able to give the gorgeous lightly brown color, and therefore flavor, to my rice. This is before adding soy sauce or anything else. Is this a question of heat, or quantity of oil? How do they do it in the restaurant, e.g. young chow fried rice?
There are really only a few secrets to good fried rice. Day-old white rice. See link 1. Make it the day before, let it cool, place it in the fridge. This I'd say is absolutely the main thing. The texture will not be right if you use freshly cooked rice. There will be too much moisture. Heat. Your wok, see link 2. Needs to be hot. You want everything to cook quickly. Cook stuff separately. This is a follow-up from 2. You want it all to cook very quickly. A crowded pan will hinder that. Cook meat to 80%, take it out, cook the other stuff, add the meat back in. Don't touch it. Unless you have a blazing professional burner, your food needs time against the wok. Put it in, leave it for a bit, mix it some more. Fish sauce and Chinese sausage, they add great flavor. If it all seems complicated, it really isn't. Use day-old rice and give it lots of heat. Here are a couple of recipes that give further detail and have great explanations. Shrimp fried rice, see link 3. On steamy kitchen secrets to cooking the best Chinese fried rice, see link 4. On steamy kitchen Chinese fried rice, see link 5. On Rasa Malaysia, I think it's 4 major things. Use enough oil. If you don't use enough, you don't really get a proper frying action, and rather just heat it. So make sure you use enough. The downside is that too much can make it disgustingly greasy. So be careful, but don't skimp. Let it sit. When you put the rice in, don't stir it too much. Let it sit for long enough that the rice in contact with the pan starts to crisp up. This will give you that restaurant flavor and texture, and is part of what's giving that color you want. Hot, hot, hot. You want a big wok, screaming hot. Soy sauce. I know you said that's not what you wanted, but in my experience, it's an integral part of the color of fried rice. If you're not getting the right color and you're not using soy sauce, that's part of the issue. Mostly, I think 1 and 2 are what I see being the most overlooked parts of restaurant-style fried rice, but 3 and 4 are just as important.